Unlocking the meaning of low score, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that often pops up in both academic and casual conversations: low score. Whether you're taking exams, playing games, or discussing performance, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's get to the bottom of it together and ensure you're fully equipped to use it confidently in your English conversations. The phrase, low score, is quite straightforward. It is composed of two words: low, which means something that is less than average or minimal in amount, and score, which refers to the number of points someone achieves in a game, test, or any form of assessment. When combined, a low score indicates a performance that is below average, inferior to expected standards, or simply not high. For example, in an examination, a low score might mean you did not answer many questions correctly. In sports, a team with a low score might be losing the game. Now, a low score doesn't just reflect a number. It often has wider implications. It can suggest a need for improvement or extra practice. It might also affect someone's opportunities or confidence. In competitive environments, a low score can determine if you advance to the next level or require to try again. Remember, the significance of a low score can vary greatly depending on the context. A low score in a friendly game might be laughed off, while the same in a certification exam could be taken quite seriously. It's also relative. What's considered a low score in one circumstance might be quite acceptable in another. Let's look at how you might use low score in everyday English. I got a low score on my TOEFL test, so I need to study more for the next one. Despite their low scores earlier in the season, the team made an impressive comeback. It's a versatile phrase, and knowing how to use it in context can be incredibly beneficial. Understanding and using the phrase, low score, can help you better articulate situations involving evaluations and rankings in English. Remember, a low score is not the end of the world. It's often just a starting point for growth and learning. We hope this explanation helps clear any confusion and enhances your English language journey. Keep practicing, and don't let a low score discourage you. Every expert was once a beginner. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.